What's going on, guys? Today we have a new video. We haven't got a phone and we haven't got one of the devices. We've got something completely different to what we usually review. Sort of came across my desk and I thought, let's review it. So what we actually have here is it's a Huawei laptop. If you read the side, you can see that it is a Huawei MateBook D14. Now, it's got some of the specs on the outside of this box. It says sort of AMD GPU and the Ryzen 5 CPU, and the color is space gray. 8 gigs of RAM. So this is basically the box it came in. Now, I don't know if this will differ because obviously this is releasing very soon. It's not quite out yet, so we've just got sort of a first look. I assume this is the box going to come in, but obviously changes always happen. Just pop this open now. So you pull these bits out, pop that. So I'm assuming underneath here is going to be all your charging bit, and this is the actual device itself. This is what you get inside your box. So it's got these foam bits in it. You also get this, I guess, is your warranty card and your quick start guide. So, and then the other section of the box is this sort of card unit, and inside this you've got your charging unit and your charging wire as well. That's all you get in the box contents. Now, I did note that on the actual Huawei's website there was a mouse listed, a Bluetooth mouse. We have pre-orders listed now for this on ePhones.com, so you can pre-order it now. So we've also got a deal on, so you buy one of these, you're gonna get a free phone. So the free phone is a Huawei Y5 2019, so it's a 100 quid phone with the device for free if you pre-order it. So that's the deal currently. Here is the actual device. So let's pull this out of its sort of safety sleeve. So this colorway we have here is the space gray colorway. It almost looks purplish, I guess. I don't know if that's just the light, but it gives sort of a purple color off it. Some lights it looks gray, and other lights it looks purple. I think this is sort of a really nice color, actually. It looks incredible in person. I'm not sure if the cameras really give it justice, but you've got that Huawei branding on the front of the device here, on the back of the screen. On the back of the device, you've got some of the information about what's inside. So you've got the fact that it's Windows and has Radeon Vega graphics. Obviously, it's got a lot of ventilation, and one thing that was a key defining feature of this was the fact it stands quite high to keep the device super cool, which does work. So that's all for the outside. Obviously, it has your USB and your USB-C ports, along with a HDMI port on the side. And on the other side, it has another USB port and a headphone jack. That's the outside of the device. So if we pop this open now, inside you'll notice this sort of divider that shows you where stuff is. So obviously it shows you where the charger is. But some other features you may notice, some of the quite cool features, is that it has a little camera icon here and a fingerprint scanner icon. So what do they mean? Underneath the middle button here, above the 7, if you just press down on that, up pops a little camera. So that can be hidden away and opened up. And nowadays, in the days of people not being able to know if their devices are secure, you'll know that your camera is always hidden. How do you open this device? So you press down on this button next to the delete button, hold that down, and it should power on. Now we've set this up just to skip some of that slow setting up process and the updates. So we've got it all ready. So this is the screen here. It looks great, is one thing I've noticed. The quality is awesome. This is obviously the 14-inch version. So all you have to do is place your finger here and it opens. How quick's that? Super, super quick. Let's just show you that one more time. Bam. Super quick. So what you do is you'd open your computer up in the morning, get it going, place your finger down, boop, done. That quick, super, super fast. So this is basically what it looked like when we first opened it up. We haven't downloaded anything other than to record the screen, so you have a quick look. Some of the key features of this, other than the fact that you can put your fingerprint to scan it and the pop-up camera, is the fact that it has a system called Huawei One Hop. Now, we thought we'd grab one of our Mate 20X 5Gs just so we can show you what this One Hop actually is. So just pop this open. So basically the idea is that if you have a Huawei device like we do here, you can simply tap the NFC chip onto the computer and you have an instant link between the devices, so you can then actually control your mobile device just from the computer and you can do all sorts of actions. We'll go through it in more detail in a second, so let's just turn this on, show you what I mean. So all you do is you grab your device like this, tap it down, it'll make a noise, you click connect, the computer will then detect it, and there we go. So that is now connected, so we don't even need to have that on it anymore. We can click down here and click phone, and here is the information about the phone we have. So you can do a multi-screen collaboration, so you can use your phone screen on here, you can do an instant hotspot, you can photo backup and video backup. Now I'll show you how quick and easy it is to transfer files over. So you literally grab the phone, tap it on the NFC chip, done. That is files sent. So you can choose whatever files. That was just a screenshot. So if you tap the phone on it, it will literally take a screenshot of the device and download it to your phone, vice versa, if you wanted to send it the other way. So as I said, you can grab this laptop right now on ePhones.com in the pre-order phase. If you grab it in the pre-order phase, you'll be able to get yourself a free phone in that deal. That is a Wi-Fi 2019, a great phone, 100 quid worth of phone there, included for free with this device. So the 14-inch one, this is the higher spec one, that is the MateBook D15, which is a slightly bigger screen but slightly lower in spec. We do have a few ranges of laptops listed on ePhones.com now. These ones are obviously the pre-order ones. The MateBook Ds are pre-order, so you can check them out. We'll leave a link to them in the description. The final thing I wanted to go over in a bit more detail was this really cool camera. I've never seen something like this before on a laptop. It really is sort of emphasizing that security you get, because nowadays people are worried that someone can be looking through their camera or hack their camera. So with a camera like this, where you have to physically push it down to have it actually work, now you'll notice that right now it's completely dark, but if I quickly open the camera app, you'll be able to see me from another angle. So there I am. So you'll see that the light has now popped up on that camera, and that's how you know it's going. Yeah, it's pretty much as simple as that. So you press on it to close it, press on it again to open it. It doesn't automatically open, it is a manual thing. I believe that's so you make a sort of conscious decision to open your camera or to keep it closed, so you know it's open or closed. That is about it for this computer. I was just going to mention that the microphone for this is just by the trackpad here. That's just something to note, just in case you are on a video call or something. I wouldn't be clicking around too much because it is a bit loud on the microphone. That's something we noticed. As far as a first look, that's about it for this video. The MateBook D itself, the 14-inch one we have here, it is actually kind of blown me away. It is very, very good, very powerful. We have run a few sort of benchmarks to see how fast it can get. If you want to see in-depth benchmark and breakdown for this computer, we will do a part 2 for the MateBook D, so just stay tuned to see a bit more on that. As I said, this is releasing really soon. We have this for pre-order now on ePhones.com. It is listed on Huawei's website, so if you were on Huawei's website, you click that buy button, it will take you straight to our website, ePhones.com, where you can buy or /pre-order the device. Thank you for watching this video. As I said, this will be listed in the description below, and you can pre-order it now on ePhones.com. This version, the 14, is £6499.99 on ePhones.com, so that's £649. The 15 is £599.99 on ePhones.com as well, so you can pre-order either of those and get yourself a Y5. Thank you guys very much for watching. If there's anything specific you want to see in our next MateBook D video, be sure to comment that below. If you have any questions, please let us know. If you enjoyed the video and found the MateBook D as cool as we did, then make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this in the future. So thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.